Expensify Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Expensify are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now, let's dive straight into the review. Expensify is a financial tool designed primarily for expense tracking, reimbursement, and business financial management. It's widely used by freelancers, small business owners, and corporate teams to streamline expense reporting. One of its key features is Smart Scan, which allows users to take photos of receipts, automatically extracting details and categorizing expenses. Expensify also integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, making it an excellent solution for businesses that need a seamless workflow. The app supports automatic mileage tracking, corporate card reconciliation, and even travel booking, making it more than just a basic expense tracker. Expensify is ideal for business professionals who need an efficient way to track expenses and submit reports. It's great for companies that want to automate reimbursements and enforce spending policies. Freelancers and self-employed individuals can also benefit from its streamlined receipt management and tax deduction tracking. The app allows for team collaboration, letting multiple users submit and approve expenses within an organization. Additionally, Expensify offers a corporate card with built-in controls to help businesses manage employee spending. Now, let's talk about the strengths. The Smart Scan feature is a major advantage, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Expensify's automation features, such as recurring expense tracking and automatic categorization, save users time and reduce errors. Integration with accounting platforms makes it a powerful tool for businesses, ensuring smooth financial reporting. The ability to track travel expenses, reimburse employees, and manage business spending in one platform makes Expensify a comprehensive solution. However, there are some downsides. The free version is quite limited, and the full-featured plans can be expensive for small businesses or individuals. Some users find the interface a bit complex, especially when setting up policies and approval workflows. Additionally, while the automation features are powerful, occasional glitches in receipt scanning and bank syncing have been reported. Final verdict: if you need a robust expense management tool for business or freelancing, Expensify is one of the best options available. However, if you're looking for a simple personal budgeting app, this may not be the right fit. Check the links in the description for more details.